Hello friends and subscriber. Hello everyone. Today we are here at NASA Langley Research Center Open House. Now our first stop is the building 1244. Is the aircraft hangar. And there's a lot of things to see inside this building. Let's check it out. As you see, we found our superstar astronaut that we take a selfie, and a lot of people take a selfie with this astronaut. And also we went to the nebula board. We take a picture of it. This is the picture of the sounds of the universe. As you see, those are the waves and the sound. And this is kind of like a rocket, and yeah, it's kind of overwhelming. There's a lot of people, and as you see around, there's a thing, and this is our first stop building. There's really a lot of people.
The capsule as it speeds to the surface, all of which will return, including Artemis 1 on both launch and re-entry. The data we capture provides engineers with information on vehicle performance relative to what computational tools and wind tunnel tests predict. It takes extensive planning to get it right. Upon its return from the asteroid belt, the OSIRIS-REx capsule will be traveling at 12 kilometers per second, or about 27,000 miles per hour. That's nearly twice as fast as objects coming back from low Earth orbit, and it will be among the 4 fastest human-made objects ever to fly in Earth's atmosphere. In partnership with the Japan Aerospace Exploration,
there's a lot of tables gathered around that building, and each table has their own explanation and demonstration about the stuff they are working on it, and they're showing it the stuff and different kind of crafts and materials that they use in the outer space, and the rockets that goes on the universe. And you see that we are monitoring now the space, our Earth, and they're building this kind of lot of stuff, how to go in and out to the outer space, or from the Earth to the universe or to the orbit. And those are the aircrafts that are using to monitor our planet Earth.
And this is the real engine. Yeah, feel free to take as many fact sheets as you like.
It says it's electric power engine for the aircraft.
So you can build all of your swag electric technology.
Okay.
Because it's the batteries for all electric is just going to be too heavy. That we need to focus on hybrid electric for taking passengers on regional aircraft. Yeah, feel free to touch this if you'd like. It's really, really nice and cool.
Now we continue our journey and walk through the NASA area, and we are going to a different building. As we continue walking to our next building, we pass by this giant balls, and it looks so amazing. And then we went this building where ISSAC located, and ISSAC is a giant robot arm that helped NASA develop lighter yet stronger composite structures and materials for aerospace vehicles. They learn more about the large-scale metal additive manufacturing process, which uses an electron beam to melt, wire, and create. Again, we saw different table that demonstrate different kind of stuff that each of members has to explain how they create these materials and how do affect on what kind of materials they use, if it is like iron or the materials that is more effective to use in outer space. It's a table demonstrate about it. At this point, we went to building 1251, the unitary plan wind tunnel. This supersonic wind tunnel features two test sections capable of speed up to 4.6 times the speed of sound. Researchers here perform experiments involving jet effects, dynamic stability, heat transfer, and more. And you see this board over here, they use this for launching, and it's cool that I can touch it. And those are the wind tunnel that the 4.6 speed blast, yes, and some pictures that they have memories for how do they create this kind of the wind tunnel and different kind of speed crafts or aircrafts that goes to that tunnel and to that outer space. Yeah, those are little tiny miniature model of a torpedo or aircrafts that they use to the air, to the space, outer space. These are real tiny, but in reality, those are very big. Like when you stand with it, you are very, very tiny, like a little ant. And this one is the model for our tunnel. They are working now the Hampton Bridge tunnel in our area, and this is how they do it.
This is Mary. She's the tunnel boring machine. She's building the Hampton Roads Bridge tunnel.
Big.
And of course, safety is always on hand. NASA Langley have their own fire and rescue team, and we have a lot of fun roaming around the NASA area, and it's so big that we cannot do it all the building. We only visit like 4 buildings. And thank you for watching, everyone. See you in my next vlog.